This is Canberra, federal capital city of Australia, and a fine example of modern town planning in a beautiful setting. At Tidbinbilla, some 25 miles from Canberra, a new deep space tracking station has become operational. The road to Tidbinbilla passes through a countryside noted for its scenic beauty. This station, number 42, now forms part of a world network known as the Deep Space Instrumentation Facility, or DSIF. The Goddard Space Flight Center near Washington is responsible for many Earth-orbiting satellites and for direct communication between the satellites and stations of all networks. Special telephone links enable an officer at Goddard to speak directly to an officer at Woomera. In this way, all stations and satellites are in a state of continuous communication. The first American satellite, Explorer 1, was launched from Cape Canaveral, now Cape Kennedy, in February 1958. It was successfully tracked and photographed by scientists at Woomera using a Baker-Nunn optical instrumentation camera. In March 1958, another satellite, Vanguard, was launched and again was photographed by the Australian team. Vanguard was only 6 inches in diameter and was 500 miles distant when this photograph was taken. These achievements were praised by the United States. Soon after, plans for probing deep space required the setting up of a Deep Space Instrumentation Facility with stations at Goldstone, Woomera and Johannesburg. Eventually, Tidbinbilla and Madrid were to be added. These sites are spaced so that at any time at least one station has the spacecraft in view. Next came the epic mission of John Glenn, who fully orbited the Earth in February 1962.
Liftoff. The clock is operating. We're underway. Roger, reading you loud and clear. Roger, we're programming it roll okay. So bumpy along about here. Stand by for 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1, mark. Roger, backup clock is started.
This mission also was tracked by the Australians at Mouchet and Woomera.
102, 101, oxygen 78, 100, amps 27. Roger, loud and clear, flight path is good, 6-9. Roger, checks okay, mine was 70 on your mark. Some vibration area coming up here now.
A spontaneous signal of friendly encouragement was given by the people of Perth, who kept their city ablaze with lights for Glenn to see. In return, he signaled his grateful acknowledgement. And so the partnership will continue in harmony, each further step bringing greater knowledge and skill, and in this way, the vast regions of space will yield a rich harvest for the greater welfare of mankind and the generations to follow.